thought I'd just do a quick IKEA haul. I've got the receipt next to me so that I can tell you how much things were. So I'm literally just gonna take whatever in this bag and show you. So it's in no particular order. There is one thing that I'm probably not going to show you because it's not going to be built yet. It's the bookcase that I picked up. It's actually the cheapest one, but it's the one that I really like the look of the most. I'm not going to build that until perhaps this weekend, or until I get the stuff that's currently in my office like sold or just got rid of it somehow. So I'll insert a picture of the bookcase that I got. And I believe that was the most expensive thing that I bought today, which was £17. The first thing I'm going to show you is one that I need to put in the freezer ASAP. But I just picked up the meatballs because, I don't know, I just really like them, and Ben really likes them too. And that was £5.95. So I'm going to just pop that in the freezer and maybe have that for dinner next week or something. And then I picked up this, what they call the non-slip rug underlay thing. I believe this was £2.50, and that is because I picked up this super cheap rug. It's one of those flimsy rugs, and I just wanted to have it in the dining room just because it's super bare at the moment. But yeah, I really liked the look of it. It's not super big either, so it's quite good. And the good thing with these is I think you can put it in a wash. So yeah, you can just chuck it on there, or you can, it's easy to kind of like, you know, like the air it out or whatever in the garden. So yeah, and this was £10. This is so like, this is just so nice. So I actually can't believe it was only £10. Next, I picked up a couple of these like margarita glasses. I've been making a lot of margaritas from home, so I thought we'd actually get glasses this time to have them. So I just bought a pair. So these were £2 each, I believe, which is actually not that bad considering they're quite sturdy ones. And these were the last two that I saw in the marketplace bit. Then I just picked up this pack of 30 clips for just like clips for like crisps, like big packs of crisps. But yeah, I believe this was only like £1.50. I also picked up 2 of these milk frothers. They were £1 each, so I don't know why I picked up 2, because I think they were £1 each, but in case one breaks, or I can give one to my sister. And they just look like that. They don't come with a battery, but we have some at home anyway. Then I picked up this pack of 4 what are they called, 4 tea towels. I thought these were quite cute for like the spring summertime, which is white with like a mint green, like with mint green color on it. And this I believe was £2, which is actually crazy for 4. So yep. So next I have these 2 pillowcases. At the moment I have these, but in a mustard color, and I am really not feeling that anymore, so I picked these up. Originally I saw something else that Ben really liked, but it was like £5 something, and it wasn't even one that I really liked. And then I saw these, and I think these are just so much nicer, and they're just so much more muted, and you won't really get bored of it. It's throughout all the seasons. So I picked up 2 to replace the 2 mustard cushions that we have at the moment. I believe these were £1.75 each, so £3.50 for both of these. Again, ridiculously cheap, but yeah. Next I just picked up this vase, because right now I'm using like a carafe as a vase, but this one's quite nice because it's not a tall one, and I just wanted like quite a short one. And this was literally only £1, and I'm just so obsessed with it. And yeah, I also picked up these 2 little espresso mugs. These I believe were 75p each, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 75p each, so do the maths, £1.50 for both of them. Again, I just got like a pair. I don't drink espresso, Ben does, so I thought I'd just pick these up for him to have. But what I've been on the hunt for were these clear coffee mugs I've just seen everywhere, and I just think they are just so cute. And I have a lot of like old mugs with, you know, like with the writing on it and stuff, and some of them are sentimental, but a lot of them are chipped or just need to retire. So I thought I would grab a couple of these, and I quite like it because it's big. And these I believe were, so these were £1.75 each. I also got this dish just because we did have one and I can't find it, and you can never have too many of these. And this is only like, so this was £3.50, which is not expensive, which is quite inexpensive for like just a dish. I also got these two just reusable bags. I want to open them because I want to see how big they are. I think one's smaller than the other. And this was £4 for the set. I already have one from Zara that I use all the time. And I just think they're so much cuter than like the bags for life. Oh my god, this one is tiny. What do you even put in this? Fruit. And this one's good. I mean, the only downside is, okay, these are much smaller than my Zara one, but for £4 you can't really complain. But it's only a short handle. My Zara one is like a fling on, whatever that is. But yeah, again, not bad for £4. So I also just got more of these sandwich bags. I do want to cut down on the amount of plastic that we use, unnecessary plastic that we use. But when we go to Costco, we buy meat in bulk, and then we have to freeze some of the stuff, and we just chuck it in here because it's easier. So I just picked one up, and this was, I believe, £2.50, and you get 50 bags in here, and it comes with 2 different sizes. The last one that we got lasted us months though. So I also just got these 2 pillowcases, just plain pillowcases, because we need them, and these were £3.50, I believe, for 2. I also picked up these 2 bowls. We used to have them when we first moved out, and I don't know what's happened. Maybe they just broke or whatever. But I picked up 2 because they're really good to have for like family style dinners when you do like Filipino food. And at the moment we're like bringing the pan on like the dining table, and I really don't want to do that. So I picked up 2 of these, so you can always fill one up with rice and fill one up with the ulam. And this was, I actually don't know because I've just picked it up. This was, okay, so this was £1 each, which is crazy. Like, I have been looking like at H&M Home and stuff like that for just a bunch of these things, and sometimes it's like, why would I spend that much money when I can buy it at IKEA? I just can't go all the time because otherwise I'll just buy everything and then my house becomes more cluttered, and I've worked really hard to declutter the house. Yeah, so the last 2 things that I have are plants. I could have definitely bought more. I just had to refrain from doing so, but this is one of them. I think they're called like the money plant or the whatever they're called. But yeah, they just look really cute, and they look so different to the plants that I have. But yeah, so I thought I would get one of these, and this was only £5 for this plant, but it's one that I don't have yet. So, and then the last thing I got was this monstera plant. Now I also read that they're not the best for pets, and we do have a dog. I mean, she doesn't go near any of the plants anyway, but I'm going to quarantine this plant anyway first, but I'm going to be putting this in my office, which is a room that she doesn't really go to. But it's really cute because Ben always asks if I tell him that I want to get a plant, he always asks, can you check if it's okay for Ash? But yeah, so this was the big monstera plant, and considering how much they get sold for sometimes, this was such a bargain. It was £18, though I am aware that this is going to grow quite quickly. But well, I say that like that's so cocky of me, but yeah, I just know that they can get pretty wild. But yeah, I look forward to having that, and I already have a pot to put that in, so I didn't think I needed one. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little IKEA vlog / haul. I didn't want to film too much in IKEA itself because it was quite busy, and I just wanted to get in there and get out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Ash, say bye. She doesn't want to say bye.